Assalamualaikum and hi to my panel, Sir Samsul Azrai and Sir Khairil Amri. My name is Siti Masbah binti Kalana. Today I will present about my PSM given title Mechanical Properties and Failure Analysis of Bemban Fiber Reinforced Thermoplastic Starch Metric Composite. What is Bemban? Bemban is a plant similar to rattan, the steam-produced fiber-woven material. Bemban grows in a bunch around lake water and open area, and it is found naturally. Bemban is widely used in weaving products such as woven mat and basket to be used as handicraft. The characteristic of Bemban is have less sap, dry quickly, and more resistant to fungus and insect attack when stored. My first problem statement is difficult to find research resource to be analysed in order to assess strength, water permeability, toughness, fracture and process failure. My second problem is Bemban has the potential to be a good natural composite similar to kenaf and jute. For this project is the first one is to study the mechanical properties of Bemban reinforced thermoplastic starch. The second one is to study the effect of different mixture combination on mechanical properties of thermoplastic starch. And the third one is to examine failure process of Bemban reinforced thermoplastic starch metric composite. This is the scope of my Bemban project. The first scope is thermoplastic cornstarch is used as composite metric with different mixture ratio 50-50, 30-70 and 70-30. My second scope is mechanical properties used is tensile and impact test open mixture of Bemban fiber with thermoplastic starch ASTM D3039 and ASTM D6110 by using universal testing machine and Charpy machine. And the last scope is optical microscope to monitor the analyze the failure. In this literature review, I will explain about how the composites are produced and why using this material to produce a composite. From the figure show, we can see the reinforcement plus metric will produce a composite. And this is the reason why using this material to produce a composite. Natural fiber are used as the main goal for reinforcement in composite because they can improve the mechanical properties and produce lightweight material. The term of natural fiber refers to fiber that has been derived from natural source such as plant, animals or minerals. The function of the metric is to protect the fiber from external and environment damage as well as to distribute the tension. The metric gets its strength and rigidity from the fiber, which allow it to be durable and not easily broken. Composite provide a lot of benefits such as strength, lightweight, corrosion resistant, design flexibility and durability are all essential factors. This is the example application from natural fiber. Natural fiber are used in some industries, for example, fabric industry, yarn, sport industries, automobile industries, composite industries, aerospace industries, and furniture industries. In this methodology part, I will explain about the flowchart of raw Bemban process and explain on how to conduct the experiment tensile and impact test. Based on the flowchart, which will illustrate the entire procedure from start to finish. From the top flowchart, I use raw Bemban and process it until dry, and then mix the Bemban fiber with starch with ratio 50-50, 30-70 and the last one is 70-30. When the sample is done, I will conduct the tensile test and impact test to examine the mechanical properties, and the last one is using the optical microscope to analyze the failure. In this part, I will explain about the process of getting Bemban fiber. First, prepare a 30 cm long Bemban, cut it in half and then cut again to make 4 parts. Remove the white part because we don't use that, and then take the hard part of the Bemban, which is the green outer layer. Dry the green part completely until no moisture. When the Bemban has dried, beat it with a rubber hammer to get the Bemban fiber. Following that, a lot of dry fiber is produced. Combine the Bemban fiber with the matrix material and cornstarch to produce composite. At this early stage, it is possible to conclude that Bemban has the potential to be developed and commercialized in the market. According to the research, Bemban possesses not only high strength but also several other endurance characteristics. Bemban has long been utilized in handicraft, roofing tiles, and other industries. However, because the benefits of this Bemban are not widely known, it is not documented on websites that people can study. To be honest, meeting objective expectation and scope studies require more effort with limited knowledge and resources. Bemban extraction will be not a big issue in the following semester, as it has been from the beginning PSM 1. Tensile and impact tests must be performed to determine how this fiber break in order to obtain data values. I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you to my panel, Sir Samsul Azrai and Sir Khairil Amri, for giving me the time and opportunity to present this project. Thank you, sir.